So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our AUDUSD. So once again, if you are yet to subscribe, means you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Yesterday we did analysis on our AUDUSD, and I told you guys clearly that AUDUSD will open and close bullish for the day. And this is exactly what AUDUSD did. It gave us the bullish move that we said it will give us. We also did analysis on Thursday. We also said that AUDUSD will open and close bullish for the day. And market did exactly what we predicted it to do. It opened and closed bullish on Thursday. On Wednesday also, AUDUSD also opened and closed bullish. We said that it will open and close bullish, and guess what? It did exactly what we predicted it to do. Right? Basically, if you've not watched this our weekly analysis video that we did on AUDUSD, if you have not yet watched it, yes, to go back to go and watch it and confirm our prediction. We said that AUDUSD for the week it was a massive bullish move. Right? This was a bullish move that we were predicting for AUDUSD to give us, and it gave us exactly what we predicted it to give. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe and you have not yet subscribed, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification so that you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be dropping for you. Now back to our analysis. AUDUSD is very much on a bullish move, right? If you take a look at it on your daily time frame, or let's go to our weekly time frame. So this massive bullish move is what we predicted for the week, and markets did that. This week also we will be anticipating for a bullish move. But before the bullish move will play out, a pullback will most likely going to play out. So a pullback will most likely go to play out first on our AUDUSD for a bullish move. Now, before that, take a look at it on our daily time frame. This is a movement on our daily time frame. So this is our first high that AUDUSD gave. Then this is our higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is an equal higher low right here. So market was able to form an equal higher low. Then here comes the massive bullish move, which is a new higher high. This is a very massive bullish move that market did, forming a new higher high. Now we will be expecting market to give us a pullback, which should be an higher low right here. So we should be expecting market to pull back and give us an higher low. Once it finishes giving us an higher low, which is a pullback, then we will be expecting it to push up one more time to give us a new higher high. So above all USD is still on a bullish move. We should still be anticipating for the bullish move. So if you are in the buy, now is the best time to start taking your profit. If you are not yet in the buy and you want to enter the buy, be patient and wait for market to pull back, because USD is definitely going to give us a pullback. So have that in mind that a pullback is going to be coming anytime soon. Once the pullback comes in, then you can now go ahead and take in the buy. Now let's go in for the 4-hour time frame. So you can clearly see it. You can see the market is trending to the upside, right? You can even possibly draw your trend line right here. So you can see it right here, right? Market was able to push up to form our high, and this is the higher low on our 4-hour time frame. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low. Market push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually push up to form a new higher high, and now an higher low is what we are going to be expecting on our AUDUSD. So guys, an higher low is what you should be expecting on AUDUSD. Once markets can pull back to give an higher low, our next movement on AUDUSD will be new higher high. So above all, an higher low is what you should be expecting. Expect a pullback on your AUDUSD. After the pullback, then a new bullish move will be made, which will eventually form a new higher high for the week. So this week we are going to be going bullish on AUDUSD. If there are any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.